Hey everyone, Justin Havre here. Today we're at the Realtor Bowlarama raising funds for the Children's Miracle Network. Come on in.
I'm Megan Kachuba from the Alberta Children's Hospital Foundation. I'm the Manager of Community Initiatives and Events, and I'm here at Realtor Bowlarama event. So we have agents here from across Calgary raising money for the Alberta Children's Hospital Foundation through Children's Miracle Network. And we are just so grateful for all the work that the community does in supporting the hospital, and Justin Havre Associates for supporting us throughout the year in many different ways.